Your hosting stress often starts with hosting against your nature. I'm going to help hosts identify their natural hosting style so it feels easier. It's not you, but it is you. If your reviews feel mixed, your phone buzzes at midnight, and hosting no longer feels fun, take a breath. You're not failing, you're hosting without knowing how you host. Most vacation rental owners assume success comes down to decor, pricing, or algorithms. Helpful, yes. Complete, no. The real driver sits closer to home. Your vacation rental hosting style shapes how guests feel, how systems run, and how much stress you carry. Some hosts thrive on detail, others trust the process. Some want freedom, others want control. None of these are wrong. Problems start when your natural style clashes with how your rental actually operates. In this episode, I'm going to gently uncover your hosting style, why it affects reviews and sanity, and how small shifts can calm the chaos. Near the end, I'll share one insight most hosts missed until burnout forces the lesson. And if these moments sound familiar, you'll feel right at home with the Vacation Rental Resolutions podcast and the Vacation Rental Resolutions YouTube channel, where we unpack these realities without judgment. Have you ever felt you're doing everything right but still feel worn down? Let me know in the comments. While your hosting style shapes everything, every host brings habits to their rental, like luggage they didn't realize they packed. Some answer messages instantly, others check once a day. Some design color-coded systems, others trust good people and good vibes. None of this shows up on your listings, but guests feel it immediately. Your hosting style influences response speed, guest boundaries, review consistency, your sleep quality. Ever wonder why one guest raves while another shrugs? Same property, same amenities, different experience. Style explains the gap. The goal here isn't to change who you are, it's to host with yourself, not against yourself. The hands-on hero, caring, capable, exhausted. You reply in minutes. You notice everything. You know which cupboard sticks and which tap drips. Guests adore you. Your strengths? Warm, personal stays. Problems caught early. 5-star energy. The strain? Phone glued to hand. Boundaries blur. Burnout brews quietly. This style works beautifully until it doesn't. When every stay relies on you, pressure compounds. A simple shift helps. Automate check-in messages or outsource cleaning. You keep the heart while easing the load. Guests still feel cared for. You get evenings back. The strategic strategies. Calm, clear, consistent. You love order. Systems sing. Automation feels soothing. Your strengths. Predictable guest experience. Easy scaling. Fewer surprises. The strain? Guests may miss warmth. Feedback can feel flat. Does structure kill connection? Not at all. It just needs seasoning. Add one human touch, a local snack, a friendly first name message. One warm line breaks the robotic edge. Systems run the stay. Humanity colors it in. The laid-back landlord. Easygoing, trusting, occasionally surprised. You believe guests are adults. You value freedom. Rules feel heavy. The strengths? Low emotional load. Appeals to independent travelers. The strain? Missed issues. Inconsistent reviews. Now, here's the truth. Guests like freedom, inside clarity, a short guide, clear expectations, light structure. That's not control, that's kindness. Would a little clarity reduce stress without killing the vibe? Almost always, yes. The absent owner, free, focused, one step removed. You hired help. You don't manage daily details. Time feels spacious again. The strengths? Time freedom. Scales well. The strain? Guests experience drifts. Small issues hide. Distance works when paired with oversight. A quick post stay message. A monthly review check. Light involvement keeps quality high without pulling you back into the weeds. So, what kind of host are you really? Well, here's the secret most hosts miss. There's not one style. They're a blend shaped by energy, season, and life stage. Stress hits when your default style no longer fits your current reality. If reviews feel confusing or hosting feels heavy, your style might need support, not an overhaul. The vacationrentalresolutions.com website explores this balance deeply, and the Launch Your First Vacation Rental course walks through building systems that respect your style instead of crushing it. What's the one change you've tried to make your hosting feel lighter? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Here are your key takeaways. Style drives guest experience. No style is wrong. Burnout signals misalignment. Systems should support you. Small tweaks change everything. Discovering your vacation rental hosting style isn't just a fun exercise. It's a strategic shift that brings calm over chaos, clarity over confusion, and confidence over guesswork. When you understand how you naturally show up as a host, you can design systems that support you instead of wearing you out. This means smoother stays, more consistent reviews, and a business that feels more manageable and less messy. If you're ready to go deeper, the Launch Your First Vacation Rental course offers in-depth guidance on crafting your systems, setting expectations, and scaling with sustainability, all while staying true to your hosting style. Check out the course to build a foundation that works for you, not against you. For more insights like this, head over to the Vacation Rentals Resolutions blog. A great next read that pairs perfectly with this episode is Creating a Vacation Rental Welcome Book Guests Actually Read and Love, episode 90. It shows how small personal touches can elevate your guest experiences and reinforce your style in practice. You can find the post on the Vacation Rental Resolutions website. Before you go, make sure you subscribe so you won't miss future episodes full of practical tips and honest conversation about this business we all care about. And hey, if you found this helpful and want to support what we are creating, feel free to buy us a coffee. Your encouragement keeps us going.